Happy Sunday everyone! Masama nga ang pakiramdam ni Tito Wena paggising ko this morning. So kaya naman, kahit masama ang pakiramdam natin, easy pa rin tayo kung anong lulutuin natin na masarap dahil may mga pamangkin ako na nasa akin.
Let's eat!
So ito nga, nakapagluto na ako ng masarap na lunch. Sarap ng ulam natin, look at that. Oh. Taugi, tofu, con-fried alamang. Yummy guys, promise. Ang sarap nito. Sweety and spicy. And
gusto ko tinakuha kanin sa akin.
may twist.
Putang kasalan.
Sarap. Look at the ulam, mga beshi love. Ang sarap. Oo. Yummy. Ang ating Sunday lunch. Simply the best. Oh. Yummy! Titigan nyo kung ano-ano yung mga yan. That's yummy. And very crunchy. That chicken skin. Wow! Absolutely yummy. Kainan na tayo.
Kabila galing.
Let's eat. Thanks for watching.
Very nice, very nice.
Thanks for watching everyone. Happy Sunday and God bless everyone. Tita Wena always saying, don't forget to keep loving one another. God bless.